If you are new on YouTube and you have been struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour and you are wondering, you want to open a new channel, you want to start all over again, and if I'm given the opportunity to start my channel all over again without this channel, without any subscriber, without 0 subscriber, these are the niches I'm going to be venturing into in this new year in 2026 that is going to bring a lot of visibility. Do not miss out on this video because the third one is going to shock you. That one brings a lot of visibility. I have literally seen so many channels get monetized in the space of 1 month, in the space of 1 month, doing this type of niche. Now, what is this niche? Find out in this video. Now let's get into my phone screen. Now for the first niche, you want to go into in 2026 as a small channel or as a new content creator, or you have been a content creator before and you want to change your niche, or you want to open another channel, what you should be doing right now that is going to give you visibility is challenge and experiment content. Yes, challenge and experiment content is like when you are trying to document yourself doing something. It's like when you are trying to document yourself doing something difficult, like going through a challenge. So you are going to be taking your viewers through this challenge. Like, for example, you are going to say, okay, I tried using this app and it did not work for me. I tried using this app for 7 days and it worked for me. This is the result. I tried YouTube for 30 days and it worked for me. This is the result. That is experiment channel. That is experiment content. You are trying to do a real life content by documenting your journey. This is going to attract a lot of views because viewers are going through this same experience and they want to see other people that have also gone through this same experience and they want to watch it. So you are going to have a lot of watch time and a lot of subscribers by going into this type of niche. This is a new niche. Mind you, this is a new niche I am bringing to your table. Niches that were not existing before in 2024, in 2025. So lock that in. Put your pen and paper down and start writing this down. Now the second one is beginner friendly tutorials, like the one I'm doing right now, teaching your subscribers how to monetize their TikTok account, teach your subscribers how to monetize their Facebook account, teach your subscribers how to use a particular app or how to make money online. Just teaching, putting your subscribers through, putting your audience through how to use a particular item. It's going to really help you. It's going to really help your channel. Many YouTubers are searching for how they can do a particular thing, how they can scale up their social media presence, how they can open a door, how they can repair a blender. In fact, anything tutorial, people are searching for it on YouTube. So you need to really lock in into tutorial. Tutorial is really going to help your channel a whole lot. Now it has high traffic. This niche especially, it has high traffic and it's an evergreen content. If you post this type of content, you are going to start get views in the next 10 years, 15 years. That content will keep getting views because every day people are searching for how to do that type of content. Now the third one, which is the one that I'm saving for you people, is the new money oil on YouTube. It is AI tutorials. Have you seen people monetizing their AI tutorial channel in less than 2 months, in less than 3 months? This creator right here, she was able to monetize her channel. I was watching her on TikTok the other day and she was able to monetize her channel, Level Up with Blessing, in less than 1 month. She has a YouTube channel before and her old channel was hacked, but when she came back to YouTube, because her old channel, she was able to monetize her channel over 1 year, but now she was able to monetize this channel in less than 1 month. If you have a kind of channel like this, you are going to monetize it in less than 1 month because people are searching for how to use AI tools, AI tutorials, how to create prompts. AI is the new thing that is reigning right now. AI is what people want to learn right now. AI is what people are going into right now. People are making money through AI. Advertisers are paying people to create AI content advertisement for them. So if you are teaching about AI, you are going to get your channel monetized in no time. And this has high CPM niche. It has high CPM and high RPM. Like you can be earning over $5 for 1,000 views. Imagine you getting over 30 something thousand views. Imagine in a month you are going to be making nothing less than $300 to $500. venturing into this type of niche. And this niche, you don't only make money through YouTube adverts, you make money through brand deals, you make money through tutorials, tutoring your students, you make money. In fact, that niche is going to give you a whole lot of money through different streams. So what are you waiting for? You need to get into this type of niche right now. If you are very good, mind you, if you are very good in AI content, you have mastered your skills, you have honed your skills, please come up here and teach AI content tutorials. It's going to give you a whole lot of viewers. It's going to put you out there. It's going to really literally change your life if you know how to teach AI tutorials. And now the fourth one is the one that people have been doing since 2 years back, 3 years back. This one is the reaction and commentary niche. This one, you need to do it in a very specific way. You need to add a lot of value when you are trying to do this type of niche. The value in the sense that you are reacting majorly in all of your videos. You are reacting. Whatever you are reacting to, you are putting your voice, you are putting your face, so that even though YouTube demonetize your channel, or if YouTube does not accept you for the YouTube partner program, you can be able to defend that you reacted properly to that channel. So reaction and commentary still makes money. It's even the highest view. It has the highest view on YouTube. Reaction and commentary, yes, you can start the channel today and monetize it in the next 2 months, because the people are trying to watch your reaction to a video. Till date, people are still reacting to videos. They are just doing it in a very safe way. There's a movie that is going on right now on Uche Montana channel. I have seen so many people react to that movie. It was her latest movie. I have seen so many people react to that movie, and they react to it like they owned the content. They did not just put in the movie and they allowed the movie to play. They reacted and added a lot of value. They can monetize that type of channel. These channels, this type of niche still gets monetized. It still gets accepted into the YPP. So do not sleep on this type of niche. Now, the fifth one I am going to be telling you now, before I go to the last one, which is personal growth and money journey. That is when you are trying to teach people how to escape from their 9 to 5. Like, you are trying to document your real life process, how they can make money while working 9 to 5, personal growth, how to side hustles and all that. This niche is still trending and growing on YouTube. This niche still gets more views on YouTube. In fact, you can be able to monetize this niche in the next 3 to 4 months if you are very consistent and you know what you are doing. Now, the last one is storytelling niche. This now, if you notice, I was not talking about faceless channel here in this video. I was not talking about faceless niche. I'm talking about the one that you are going to do with your face showing, and it's still going to give you a lot of traction on YouTube. Now, this one, you are going to be adding your face and your voice. There's a lady here on YouTube. She's on TikTok also, and she's on Facebook. She talks about Nigerian history. She comes with her face, and then she uses her voice, and then she puts in the narration at the side of the screen, how this person, like all this our old Nigerian history, she puts in the narration and people love her content. That is storytelling, but our own is in the history side. So storytelling niche is still getting a lot of views if you know what you are doing. If you niche down and you know the particular story you want to tell, whether you want to tell a story about a particular country, or you want to tell a worldwide story, or you want to niche down to your country, or in fact any type of story, if it's relationship kind of story, business kind of story, storytelling is still getting views. Storytelling is still getting views. In fact, it has high retention. People are going to sit down and listen because it's like a true life story. So people like amebo, people like gossip. So people want to watch and listen to that type of um channel. So what do you have to do here? The best strategy for you in 2026 is write down all these niches I've already talked about, and see where your strengths are, and see how you can be able to fit into one of these niches, so that you can be able to get a long time content on YouTube. Because let me tell you something, these faceless niches do not get brand deals. Best and the most successful YouTubers that makes a whole lot of money on YouTube are those that shows their face. Yes, quote me anywhere. Those that show their face make a whole lot of money, not just with YouTube ads. They make money from brandies, they make money from, in fact, collaboration and PR, they make money from teaching, they sell digital products, they do a whole lot of things to make money on just one channel. In fact, if they have TikTok, Facebook and every other thing, they make money through all those channels and they still get their money. So in 2026, you need to understand that faceless channel and non-faceless channel are two different aspects, and you need to know which one you want to dive into. It is not bad for you to have a faceless channel. In fact, many of us that has face niches has faceless channel. It is also another form of stream of income. But if you are a YouTuber, if you are a content creator and you are still shy, you don't want to show your face on YouTube, you can opt for the faceless channel. But those that are showing their face on YouTube, they did not build this confidence in one day. They built it over time. Many people do not even know how to speak to the camera. Many people do not know how to articulate their sentence. Many people do not know how to say their lines successfully without breaking. We are still not perfect. We are still not doing it right. Like, it's not perfect in your eyes. We are still editing it. We are still taking two, taking three, and then saying it all over and over again. But when you are doing it over and over again, consistency is going to make you perfect in whatever you are doing. Now, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, guys. And my name remain Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on this channel on how you can grow your YouTube channel and any other social media platform. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.